Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. That's what Vasudev saw. Apasat Purusam Purnam. He saw, just like in aeroplane, you go above the cloud, the sun is not affected at all by the cloud. Although below the aeroplane you will see vast mass of cloud. Similarly, Maya cannot affect Krishna. Therefore Bhagavad-gita says, the Vijjesa Gunamai Momo Maya. Momo Maya, Krishna says, my illusory energy. Krishna is never affected by the illusory energy. Exactly like the cloud. But the Mayavadi philosopher, they say that when impersonal, absolute truth comes, appears, they also accept the incarnation. But their philosophy is that ultimately the absolute truth is impersonal. When he appears as a person, he accepts the Maya body. This is Maya. Krishna may be accepted as the Supreme God, but he has accepted a material body. That means they want to compare Krishna with ordinary living entity. And that is condemned in the Bhagavad-gita. It is said that Avajananti Manamula Manasintanu Asita. Because Krishna comes in his original form, original form is two-handed. It is also accepted in the Bible. Man is made after the image of God. So God has got two hands. In the four-handed Vishnu form is not the original form. Vishnu form is secondary manifestation of Sankarsa. So, Krishna is never affected by Maya. This is the point. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.